Welcome everyone, you're watching Tech with Sai. Today we are going to talk about the new iPad Air 2020. Believe me, this is the massive update that Apple has ever brought to us. The new iPad Air got tons of changes, it's redesigned, super fast, and the new never seen Touch ID. We have so much to talk, let's not waste any more time and jump right into this. So, the most obvious changes is the new design of iPad Air. The iPad Air now much more in line with the iPad Pros, with the new sleek body. It is much slimmer, it has very narrow bezels around the outside. The iPad Air comes in 5 colors this time. The same old silver, space grey, and we also have new rose gold, green and sky blue. The body is made up of anodized aluminum. The iPad comes with a liquid retina display of rounded corners. It is fully laminated with curved bezels. The display supports P3 wide color gamut and has anti-reflective coating on outside. The display is 10-inch size and has 3.8 million pixels. The iPad Air doesn't have Face ID, which we commonly find in the iPad Pros, but it comes with a Touch ID. Now, there's no home button any longer, which it used to be on the bottom of the device. The new Touch ID is placed inside the power button on the top of the tablet. So you can reach up to the button and just like that, you can unlock your device, authenticate for making purchases. The new iPad Air packs inside a A14 Bionic chip processor. Well, we haven't heard about A14 before because it is the new processor from Apple and they are using it first time in this tablet. It means the new iPad Air is much more powerful than iPad Pros, which are released earlier and which are using A12 Bionic processor. The CPU is 40% more powerful than the previous iPad Airs. The iPad Air has a 7 megapixel FaceTime camera which is facing there and the rear facing camera with 12 megapixel which is same that is found on the latest generation iPad Pros. The iPad Air can shoot 4K videos at 60 frames per second and slow motion videos at 240 frames per second. The 2020 iPad Air supports the Magic Keyboard. The speakers have been upgraded and has great stereo surround sound. The iPad Air updated from Lightning to USB-C. So, it comes with a USB-C cable and USB-C power brick in the box. The USB-C port can transfer at a rate of 5 GB per second. The USB-C powers much faster than a Lightning power does. It comes with a 21 watt USB-C power brick, whereas the iPad Pros are coming with an 18 watt, so even faster USB-C power brick. The first generation Apple Pencil will no longer work in the new iPad Air, so we must use the new second generation Apple Pencil. The Wi-Fi has become 60% more powerful than the previous generation iPad Airs. The new iPad Air will be available in October starting at $599 for only Wi-Fi models and $729 for Wi-Fi plus cellular models. In India, the price is starting from 55,000 rupees. This is an incredible tablet. We saw huge redesigns coming to this device. We have new colors, upgraded cameras, faster Wi-Fi. We have support for second generation Apple Pencil and support for Magic Keyboards. Many more things like anti-reflective coating on the outside, USB-C ports. Apple has brought amazing features into the new iPad. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Subscribe and stay tuned for more information on tech.